Food sticking to your Ninja Sizzle plate? Tearing meat? Scraping off eggs? Clean up a nightmare? This usually happens when the plate isn't seasoned, isn't hot enough, or you're using the wrong type of oil. Let's fix the sticking and save your food. Step 1. Preheat fully before adding food. Let the plate preheat until the preheat light turns off. Adding food too early causes it to stick as the surface hasn't expanded yet. Step 2. Lightly oil the surface with the right oil. Use a high smoke point oil like avocado, canola, or grapeseed. Brush or wipe it onto the plate, just enough to coat, not pool. Step 3. Let protein release naturally. Don't force it. Meats like chicken or steak will release on their own when seared properly. If it's still sticking, it likely needs a few more seconds. Step 4. Avoid using cold or wet food straight from the fridge. Let food come to room temp for 10 to 15 minutes. Cold surfaces cool the plate and increase sticking. Step 5. Reseason the plate occasionally. If sticking becomes frequent, rub the clean plate with oil and heat it on medium for a few minutes. This helps restore the non-stick surface over time. Follow these tips and you'll get better sears, easier flips, and faster cleanup. Still having trouble? Could be coating wear or plate issues. Link to Ninja support is in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling.